Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart Fitness Pass. First, you need to confirm your eligibility. All full-time, part-time, and temporary Walmart and Sam's Club associates in the United States are eligible. You can also include your spouse, partner, and dependents aged 18 to 25 at no extra cost. To get started, visit walmart.com/fitnesspass to register and choose your preferred membership package. 2, 3, 7. The Fitness Pass offers 3 tiers: Core, Power, and Ultra. The Core package costs $9 per paycheck, providing access to over 2,000 facilities. Power is $13 per paycheck, expanding access to nearly 5,000 locations, including pools and saunas at select gyms. The Ultra tier, at $15 per paycheck, grants access to over 9,000 facilities with a wider range of amenities. All tiers include thousands of on-demand and live virtual classes. 5, 7, 13. After registering online, you can immediately download or print your member ID card. This card contains your 16-digit membership number, which is essential for gym access. Use the online search tool to find participating fitness centers near you. On your first visit, present your member ID to the gym staff. Many gyms will then provide their own membership card or key fob for future, convenient access. 2, 7, 8, 12. Your Fitness Pass covers the basic membership at participating locations, allowing unlimited visits. Remember, extra services like personal training or specific classes might incur additional fees. You have the flexibility to visit any gym within your chosen tier, even multiple locations. If your favorite gym isn't listed, you can nominate it to join the network by contacting Tivity Health customer service or submitting a request online. 2, 7, 9, 13.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.